Princil, your magical learning friend. Come on, let's go on an adventure and meet new friends. Let's go! Whee! We are here! Let's go and meet our friend Jay. Hi, Jay! Hi, Princil! My marbles keep rolling away. What do I do? Oh! Well, your magical friend will help you. Jar. Yes, J for jar. Let's spell it together. Jar. 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 Thank you, Princil. Now my marbles are in one place. You're welcome, friend. See you soon, Jay. Bye-bye. We learned something new today. I'll see you again on our next magical adventure. Bye-bye.